Roads are key to economic development, social connectivity, and community upliftment. Since 1999, Probase has dedicated its efforts to lifting people out of poverty by designing, building, and maintaining soil roads worldwide. Here's how. Using Probase's all-in-one road construction solution, roads can be built comparatively faster and lower in cost. Probase roads are comparable in strength and performance to conventional tarmac roads. All Probase products are 100% formulated and manufactured in production facilities equipped with advanced PLC systems. The entire production line also complies with international ISO 9001 standards. Probase consistently delivers thanks to a continuous and rigorous design, development, and quality control process. These QC activities test road structures in R&D and quality labs as well as on-site project labs. The road building process begins by stabilizing native soils using Probase TX85 soil stabilizer and strengthener. Next, the Probase SH85 soil hardener is applied to establish a permanent, water-resistant foundation for soil roads. Once a strong foundation is achieved, the soil surface is sealed with Probase PB65 soil sealant. Long-term maintenance is convenient and on-demand anytime thanks to Probase's easy-to-use formulas. This means we are able to offer up to 10 years of maintenance guarantee for your Probase road. Probase has also introduced programs to help support clients in managing limited road maintenance budgets. Building and upgrading roads has far-reaching benefits. Some of these include developing a local subcontracting ecosystem, building project teams with up to 99% of local talents, providing women and youth with long-term employment, and providing valuable knowledge and technology transfer with a local project team. So you see, it is possible to lift people out of poverty with safer, longer-lasting roads. Visit www.probase.com.my for more information and get in touch with us today. Probase. Better roads, better life, better future.